आजकल I talk to like a lot of Gen Zs, young folks. उनको पहले ही they want the fanciest title, they want the fanciest salary, they want the fanciest ESOPs. But generally, na, how I think about it is, I think every person in a new organization has kind of three phases that they have to live. First phase is where they are getting onboarded into the company, and that generally, theoretically, on paper might take 1 or 2 months, but in general, just getting attuned to the company might take anywhere between 4 to 6 months. I think the second phase is just shipping something if you are an engineer, and then trying to prove your worth in that phase. Third phase is when you really get settled. Now you are into the game and you know the nuances of the business, is the impact phase, and that is when you really start to unlock the kind of work that will be given to you, given that you have proven your worth in the second phase. That can generate a lot of impact, and I think uske baad you will be more valuable because you would have had that impact in the company. I think job hopping se zyada acha hai if you spend years working with a company, you generate that impact, and your impact will help you tomorrow. अगर job hopping का purpose सिर्फ ये है कि salary बढ़ानी, वो impact से ज़्यादा salary बढ़ जाएगी, and then you will be a talent जिसने वो actually impact लाया है, और ऐसे talent बहुत कम है.